Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do like a mini haul, just some little sweaters that I found at Burlington that I really like. I also have like one item from Target, so it's mainly like a Burlington haul. So if you like hauls, remember to hit that subscribe button, join the family, and turn on the post notification. Let's get into the video. It's a rundown about Burlington. Burlington is like a little variety store, you know, in the terms of like they have household stuff, clothing, makeup stuff, kids clothes, shoes, bags, every little thing that you think they basically have. The only thing they don't have like is like food items. They have like little chocolate and stuff, but it's not really, you know, but it is a really nice place to shop. They carry like even brand stuff like Adidas, Michael Kors, Guess, okay, Nine West, all of those stuff. They have a lot of them there. First item is this, and this is like a cute little cardigan. I really like it. It's pretty heavy, has a little pocket right here, and when your hands get cold you could just put your hands in there, and it's like a charcoal gray, and it has like a hoodie. I'm really here for this. This retails for $24.99 and it was previously $36, so your girl be saving. Okay, the next item is this one, and I really like this. I really like this. I think it's very cute. It has like a lace detail at the side, and the cool thing is like you'll be able to see like my skin coming through a little, and I think it's a perfect little thing transition into fall and into winter. It's so cute, and I love the pearls on here. Item is similar to the previous one, and it's a pearl sweater too. I've been really loving these colors and pearls. I think pearls are so cute, and my favorite part about this little sweater is the sleeve. When you have it on, it's so nice. It's just so elegant and classy. And this one is like the most expensive one. It's like $29.99, and I got it because I really like the material. It's thick and I feel like it will last me a long time. And this one is just a regular sweater, long sleeve sweater that you could just throw on and go, you know, with your jacket or whatever. Just a simple one. This retails for $19.99. Yay. Alright, so lately there is a scheme. Okay guys, there's a scheme. I don't know what's going on with me, but I've been really liking stuff to be at the front of my shirts. Oh yeah, I've been really digging this. I don't know why I have it, but it's a long like sweatshirt that you could wear with your tights, leggings, with your boots. Really nice transition to winter, and I really like it. It's thick, stretchy, really nice, and the material is so soft. The next item is a little short cardigan, because you remember the one that I showed you before that's really tall. This one is really, it's not really short, but it's shorter than the other one, and I like it. It's black, have these little thing right here, and I like it. It's just simple and cute. Okay. The next item is this cute little bag, and it's from Nine West. I didn't buy this at Nine West, I bought it at Burlington, and it retails for $69, but I got it for $22.99 at Burlington. He has a little strap that if you want to put it on, you could put it on and go, sis, and go. Know that the time is getting really cold, guys. The time is getting really cold. It's like 45 now, and it's like 12 o'clock, and it's 45 degrees outside. And I bought this at Burlington also. It's a throw, and it feels so soft, so nice. and it retails for $12. When I tell you Burlington is the place to go, Burlington is the place to go. I'm not sponsored, but I like there. I go there a lot just to see what they have in store for me. The next item that I like is this one, and I got this at Burlington too, because they have like a section where there's like random stuff like skincare, body stuff, lotion, you know, every little thing, you know. And sometimes you find some really cool brands that you'd be like, oh my god, this is like literally expensive, but here they are in Burlington for a discounted price. And I like this because it's like a lemon citrus, and it was $6 originally, and I get it for $2.99, so that's a big save. So guys, that complete my little mini haul. Yes, complete, finished. If you like me to do more mini hauls, just let me know in the comment section. Thumbs up the video if you enjoy this, and if you're new, subscribe. Thank you so much for the 599 subscribers that I have. You guys are awesome. Okay, we're about to hit 600, and I'm just so I can't wait to reach 1,000, because when I hit 1,000, I'll be giving back to you guys. I'll be doing a giveaway. So if you want to be a part of the family, if you like my vibes and you think I'm cool, or you like the channel, just hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day. Bye.